So for today, I want to show you something that it should allow you to do two things. One, it'll help you get a better grade in this class. And two, it'll help you become a better writer. And all it involves doing is taking a look at what you've already submitted. To show you how to do this, I'm going to have you go back and look at your stage 1 conflict paragraph. Now, not just what you wrote, but how I filled in the rubric to grade what you wrote. It's very important to do so. First of all, I want you to know that I designed the rubric, and I designed it so it makes figuring out how many points I give you easy and fair. But I also designed the rubric so you could use it as a feedback tool, okay? By looking at the rubric and how I scored you on the rubric, you can find what your strengths and your weaknesses are, or maybe you just missed something. Now, one of the problems with making this video is I don't have access to a student view of what you see on Schoology. So I went online and I found a video and I included it. Know that it's not one of my videos, so its entertainment value is not going to be as fabulous as mine. But I included it so you can see how to look at the rubrics after I grade your work. I think you really only need like the first 25 seconds of the video to show you what to do. But essentially what you're going to do is you're going to go into your stage 1 conflict paragraph. All right, that's in the October 12th through 16th folder. And I want you to look at how I filled in the rubric, and then I'm asking you to respond to 4 questions associated with how you scored on the rubric. The questions will ask which criteria went well for you and which criteria didn't go well for you. What do I mean by a criteria? Well, like the hook is one of the criteria. And that's one thing that I've noticed with some paragraphs too. It's on the rubric. We talked about hooks, but sometimes people just don't include them. And that's a shame because then you miss out on the points. Well, like, what if that's what happened to you with this stage 1 conflict paragraph? No problem. What if you just wrote a hook now and then told me you wanted to resubmit it? That'd be great, because my answer would be, yeah, that's a good idea. And all I have to do is do a couple clicks to unsubmit what you already handed in, and then you could re-hand in your new version with the hook, and then boom, more points. There's going to be very, very few assignments that I don't let you do this with. But I need to make sure you understand how to check out the rubrics so you can evaluate your own work with me, kinda, sorta. So the assignments in Schoology, the link to the video that you should watch so you can see how to go back and look at how you did, specifically with how you did on the rubric, that's attached to the assignment. So if you're looking at in Schoology for an additional video besides this one, it's attached to the assignment. So check out what you did, respond to the 4 questions, and then I'm going to give you more points just for doing this. Now, what happens if you never got around to submitting that stage 1 conflict paragraph? What you should do is write and submit that stage 1 conflict paragraph. Let me know that it's in. I will grade it, and then you can do this assignment. These are weird times, and I want to be as flexible as possible. Just please don't take advantage of that. If you consistently give me about a half an hour every day, you'll be in real good shape. Okay, so if questions come up on this, reach out, give me a shout out in the chat or on the Schoology Messenger thing. We know how to do all this stuff. I think that's about it for today. So we will see you again real soon.